welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to talk about my journey with weight loss and did the keto diet really work for me. Now I promised you guys a video on this, so right now I'm doing it for you. Now this is a very personal video. It's actually about my life and I started taking weight loss seriously. So in 2015, about August 2015, I was leaving my home, and I am from the Caribbean. I was leaving my home, well, a certain island in the Caribbean. I was leaving my home to head to China. Now from that time, at home I never really cared about weight loss. You know, you're young. I was in my early 20s, you're young, and you just live happily, never worry about weight loss. And when I left home, I was about 173 pounds. And from there, from that time, I dropped in weight. I never weighed, but I will show you guys pictures of my weight then and my weight when I left home and I went to another island for like 2 days, and I dropped in weight. Then when I finally reached to China is where I am. Oh gosh, guys, I dropped in weight so much. It's not something that I wanted, but you know, you in a new place, and I lost weight so much because you know you have to study in another language. Remember, English has letters, Chinese has characters. You have to remember all these things, what it means in Chinese and what it means in English, and there's words upon words upon words, you know. So all this, I dropped in weight, and then you know, I made friends and I started increasing my weight again. No, I never really bothered about that. I think I went to at least 170 pounds. Yeah, and then I dropped down again in weight, and in 2017 I had to change to another medical university. Well, not another medical university, the medical university that I was supposed to be going to. And for that time, I stayed with my sister for about 3 weeks, and my sister was the one who actually introduced me to the keto diet because she herself wanted to lose a lot of weight. You know, and she told me it's not good to have weight because I am somebody who, like, in how many women, I don't know how much, but I'm somebody who has PCOS. So you know, people with PCOS that when you have an increase in weight, you do not have a proper menstrual cycle, or your menses are absent for years or a year, right? And she told me, you know, you have to decrease your weight. And she had this long list of what she buys and her plan, and going to run at 7 in the evening, 10 rounds around the field in the school, and this kind of thing. So when I went to her place, she put me on her plan, and she actually went on the internet, had up recipes and everything. So every morning we would eat 2 boiled eggs, we would drink warm vinegar water with a little lemon, and that was when I started taking weight loss seriously, which was in 2017, and I lost a lot of weight. So the cat is on the bag. It actually works, guys. Keto diet works. I don't know how again to say it. It works. So I dropped to 154 pounds thereabout. And yeah, so then between 2017 to 2019, I got lazy. Yes, I got really lazy. I flew back up to 100 and about 170, 169 to 170. I know. So every day you have to go to class and go home, eat, and that's a bad thing. You go home after class, you eat, you fall asleep. This is bad. This is extremely, extremely bad, and you don't want to do anything else because you know you're just so tired. And so my weight increased again, and I have been fighting to lose weight, guys. I think it was more of a fight between me, within myself, because I was kind of lazy to run around, because you know it's so monotonous. You sometimes you run and you're tired of running. I went to the gym. I stopped for a while, then because my gym membership was ending soon, I went back again. And I think in 2019 is when I started the gym, about April 2019. And it took me so long, very long, it's been a while to lose it. And I wasn't on the keto diet at that time. Since I think early 2018, I stopped the keto diet. And from that time till now, I haven't been on it. But I have been from time to time running on the field and so on. And right now, I started again. And I'm kind of doing intermittent fasting as well. So one day I eat and then 2 days I don't eat anything. So I drink warm water in the morning and not regular cold water, because you know you have all this gas pain. So I drink warm water in the morning and I don't eat for 2 days, and on the third day I feast. But I don't eat too much that I end up getting more than 5,000 calories, which would have made up for the 2 previous days that I didn't eat. That's very bad. So guys, I just want to say that it just works, and everybody struggles with weight loss in one point of their life or the other. When you make children, or if you eat too much and you just have a sedentary lifestyle, it happens. And the keto diet works. It works. So this is the end of my video, and I want to thank you for watching. And I will drop some pictures to show you my before and after. And right now I am at, like I said, right now I am at 159 pounds, and I want to reach my goal, I should say, is 155 pounds or 150. Most likely 155. I don't know if I want to reach 150, which would be a bit thin for me in my case. So thanks again guys for watching another Tzar Physique video, and don't forget to upload a video once every week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Turn on that notification bell so you will hear when we upload this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.